Hi, Matt Capel here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. We're going to do another edition of What's in the Box. Thank you for tuning in to watch as I open up the latest sample that we got and I talk about it on the spot. So this one's from Shaw Industries. They put a label on their box, which is kind of nice. We're guessing this is a carpet sample, but you never know for sure. Let's see what we got. Oh, flooring manufacturers. This is great when you put these on. Nothing worse than having destroyed corners when you get a new sample. So if anybody's watching, these are great. All right, so this is from Anderson Tuftex. So for those that don't know, this is a Shaw mill now. So basically what happened is Tuftex was acquired by, Shaw acquired Tuftex, and then they acquired Anderson Hardwood, and then they turned it into Anderson Tuftex. So what we have here, this style is called modern or moderne, if you want to say it more French. But it looks like we have part of their Pet Perfect line, and this looks kind of like a fun pattern. I think it's great that they do imagery like this because it kind of helps you see that basically it's a little bit of a pattern that they turn back and forth. So let's take a look here. So here we have Shaw's Softback. As far as I know, they're the first company to do softback, which is really nice. Like I've mentioned before in other videos, that protects your walls and your baseboard. This particular pattern has a 9-inch wide by 7.5-inch long pattern match. So basically what that means is you just have to add for the length and the width every time you have a seam, so that way you can match it up, because you definitely don't want to, what we call monkey match a seam with this, because it would be very visible. So this has a lot of fun colors on it. One thing to keep in mind when you're buying carpet from us, we can always order in a larger sample if you're having a hard time figuring out a color. This color line's fun. Tuftex has a tendency to have very nice colors. I mean, for lack of a better word, it just has a nice color line. The design and trend that they have is usually very, very good. So I like these ones mostly because I like the color blue. So I'm going to be biased to this. One thing that Tuftex does is they have a custom area rug program where we can make any rug, any size. They can do it. Also, as a company, Capell Flooring, we will buy carpet and we'll bind it and turn it into area rugs as well. So let's see, let's take a look at one thing right here. So if you move like this, it doesn't have a lot of movement. So for those that don't like vacuum marks, it looks like this would be a good style. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have much movement. A little bit. Anytime a carpet nap will move, you will see a mark, and that's just part of it. The only way to avoid that is through a very loop, tough Berber. But yeah, this is a nice piece. Tuftex usually has a lot of design pattern, and they usually have cool looking carpet. So anyway, this one's called modern or moderne, depending on who you talk to, probably. And but yeah, if you're interested in this or other pieces, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.